Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft for free on Android. And right now, I'm currently using my iOS, but this process is technically same or identically same as Android devices or your Samsung devices. First thing you want to do right now is go to your Play Store or App Store. And here now, you can just basically type Minecraft. You are going to see this once. However, there's going to be a payment for this one. Other way, you can go to Google Play and for this one, look for Minecraft, and also for this one, it has a payment and I think this is going to be around $2 to $5. This is just going to be the starter pack. Now how can we get this for free? So type in here Google Opinion Rewards. Alright, that would be Google Opinion Rewards right there. And this is going to be an application inside your Android devices exclusively. This is not available for iOS devices. So basically install this one, and what it does is this is a loyalty program developed by Google. It was initially launched as a survey mobile app for Android and iOS developed by Google. This app allows users to answer surveys during rewards. One of them is going to be a free version of Minecraft. Basically, install and have your answer survey, that's it. And that's going to be a way to get your Minecraft for free. So, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye now.